Take next problem. The sum of odd terms and the sum of even terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n are p and q respectively. Then the values of p square minus q square. Next, p square plus q square 4pq in terms of x, a and n. Given that sum of odd terms in this expansion is p, sum of even terms in the expansion is q, then the values of these three in terms of x, a and n. First, expansion of x plus a whole power n equal to nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into a square plus nc3 x power n minus 3 into a cube and so on. Next, the expansion of x minus a whole power n nc0 x power n alternative plus or minus signs x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 into x power n minus 2 into a square. Next, minus nc3 x power n minus 3 into a cube and so on. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term and so on. Same. So now first one is p square minus q square can be expressed as p plus q into p minus q. P plus q means sum of odd terms plus sum of even terms. Sum of odd terms plus sum of even terms means total number of terms. Total number of terms divided. P means T1 plus T3 plus T5 plus and so on. Q means T2 plus T4 plus T8 plus and so on. Totally T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus T6 plus and so on is expansion of x plus a whole power n. So p plus q is x plus a whole power n. P minus q. What is p? T1 plus T3 and so on. Minus what is q? T2 plus T4 and so on. Finally, what is sum of these two? T1 minus T2 plus T3 minus T4 and so on. What about that one? This is T1. This is T2. This is T3. So T1 minus T2 plus T3 minus T4. T1 minus T2 plus T3 minus T4 is the expansion of x minus a whole power n. Therefore, p minus q equal to x minus a whole power n. That's answer. X square minus a square whole power n is answer. P square minus q square. So sum of the odd terms is p, sum of the even terms is q. In this expansion implies we have p plus q is x plus a whole power n, p minus q is x minus a whole power n. Now second one, p square plus q square. P square plus q square can be expressed as p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square is 2 times of p square plus q square. Therefore, from that these two are equal. So over. What is p plus q? P plus q is x plus a whole power n whole power 2. So x plus a whole power 2n plus last one, 4pq. 4pq can be expressed as p plus q whole square minus of p minus q whole square. P plus q is x plus a whole power n. So x plus a whole power 2n minus of x minus a whole power 2n. So please complete it. Next, important concept, the coefficient of x power m in the expansion of ax power p plus b by x power q whole power n. Coefficient of x power m in this expansion. I am deriving the formula by using ordinary method. Follow both methods, regular method, IB method and the objective method. Problems based on this one. Just they will give some binomial. They can ask what is the coefficient of x square in this expansion. What is the coefficient of x power minus 10 in this expansion? What is the coefficient of x cube in this expansion, etc. Working rule. Please follow the working rule. I am assuming r plus 1th term contain x power m. R plus 1th term contain x power m. So r plus 1th term formula NCR x power m minus r a power r. NCR is NCR x. In the place of x there is ax power p whole power n minus r a power r. In the place of a there is b by x power q whole power r. NCR x power n minus r a power r. Well, so what is the required is coefficient of x power m. What is coefficient? So by equating m with power of x, sum of the powers of x. In this case, power of x p into n minus r. In this case, power of x minus qr. Given that power of x is m, from this pn minus pr minus qr is minus of p plus qr equal to m. So from this r equal to np minus m by p plus q. Now please, for objective problems, by heart, all of you by heart this one. If t r plus 1th term contain x power m, then formula for this r np minus m by p plus q. What about n? Power of binomial. What about p? Power of x in the first term. What about q? In denominator, power of x in second term. Okay. So by compare the given one with this, get the values of n, p, q. From these three values, we can find the value of r. From that, we can find the coefficient of x power m. In this one, what is the coefficient of x power m? NCR a power n minus r b power r. So by heart this one. Its application. If we need independent term or constant term, independent of x. The term independent of x. The term independent of x means no x. The x power 1, x square, x cube, x power 4 and so on. Constant term ఉంటుంది కదా. So constant term, name of that one is other name of that one is the term independent of x. Means power of x is 0, means m value is 0. When m value is 0, what is formula for r? np by p plus q. Okay. So if p r plus one term contain constant term, then formula for r np by p plus q. The proof అర్థం కాకపోయినా ఈ రెండు బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. r plus one term contain x power m, formula for r constant term involves in r plus one term, then formula for r np by p plus q. So by using those two, we can find coefficient of x square, x cube, x power 4, x power 5, etc. Okay. See problems related to this one. First one. The sum of the coefficients of this problem. The sum of the coefficients of x power 32 and x power minus 17 in the expansion of x power 4 minus 1 by x cube whole power 15. Okay. So we need coefficient of x power 32 and coefficient of x power minus 17. So when compare this one with a x power p plus b by x power q whole power n. X power 32, x power n. If p r plus 1 term, sorry, r plus 1 term, r plus 1 term contain x power 32, then formula for r np minus m by p plus q. N value 15, p value 4, m value 32 by p plus q. P plus q 4 plus 3, q value 3, 7 equal to, so 60 minus 32, 28 by 7, 4. R value is 4. Okay. So therefore coefficient of x power 32, p 4 plus 1. R plus 1 term formula NCR x power n minus r a power r. Okay. N value 15, x plus x power 4 n minus r. R value 4 here. 15 minus 4 11. A means minus 1 by x cube 4 power 4. So 15c 4 and c. So what is the coefficient of x power 32 and x కాకుండా remaining coefficients ఏముంది? minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1 answer అవుతుంది 15c4. So coefficient of x power 32 is 15c4. Limit. Now I am finding coefficient of x power minus 17. Formula same. R equal to this formula np minus m by p plus q. M value ఒకటే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది minus 17. So np 4 minus m minus of minus plus 17 p plus q 7. So 77 by 7 11. So what is the coefficient? 15c 11 into minus 1 whole power 11. Now required is the sum of the coefficients of these two. 15c4, 15c11. Minus 1 whole power 11 is minus 15. But numerically these two are equal. From the formula NCR equal to NCn minus r, 15c4 equal to 15c11. So sum of the coefficients is clearly answer 0. Okay. Notes the total clarity here. Two methods చేశాను నేను. IP method చేశాను, షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ రెండు చేశాను. So follow both. కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ కంటే బైనామియల్ థియరం ఇంకా కష్టం. కష్టమైన ఒకటి మీకు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా థియరీ క్యుములేటివ్గా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా బై హార్ట్ చేస్తా. అవి ఇప్పుడు TR+1 NCR x power n minus r a power r ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ x plus a whole power n క్యుములేటివ్గా ఫార్ములాస్ బై ఎవరైతే బై హార్ట్ చేస్తారో ఓన్లీ దే విల్ ఫీల్ కంఫర్ట్. Right? Next problem. The term independent of x in 2x power 1 by 2 minus 3x power minus 1 by 3 whole power 20. So this is 2x power 1 by 2 minus 3 by x power 1 by 3 whole power 20. So compare ax power p plus b by x power q whole power n. So if r plus constant term contain the term independent of x, then formula for r np by p plus q, n value 20, p value 1 by 2, p plus q 1 by 2 plus q value 1 by 3. So 20 by 2, 10. This is 5 by 6, 5 1s, 5 2s, 12. R value 12. Therefore, P 12 plus 1 is required. Required is only coefficient. Formula NCR x power n minus r. If x and n 2 name. So answer 20C 12. 2 power 12 minus 20 minus 12. 8. A means here minus 3. Don't write x values. Already the term independent of x. X lane terms possible. So minus 3 whole power 12. So which is answer. So no need to simplify these. So options will get sir. Okay. So 20 is equal 2 power 8 minus 3 whole power 12. See next problem. If the constant term in the expansion of root x minus k by x square whole power 10 is 405, then the value of k. So this type of model important for mains. So independent, the term independent of x means constant term in this expansion is already given. We have to find the other value k. We can find constant term from our procedure by equating that one with this form 405 at the required value k. Yes, if Pr plus 1 contain constant term, formula for r np by p plus q, n value 10, p value x power 1 by 2 by p value 1 by 2, q value 2. 10 by 2, 5 by 1 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 is 2. So r value 2. Therefore, P2 plus 1 equal to formula general term NCR. That means 10C2, no constant here, here constant minus k whole square equal to 405. 10C2 value, suffix value 2, so 10 into 9 by 2 minus k whole square is k square equal to 405. So 90. First 2 ones, 2 5s, k square equal to 405 by 9 5s, 9 into 5. 5 ones, 5 ones, 9s. Okay, k square value 9. Therefore, k equal to plus or minus 3 answer. Next, if fifth term is a constant term in the expansion of x power 2 by 3 plus 1 by x whole power n, then n equal. So given that fifth term T5 is constant term, means T4 plus 1 is a constant term in this expansion and value required. And indirectly R value is 4 inches. So we know that formula for R NP by P plus Q equal to 4. N value N, P value 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 plus Q value 1 equal to 4. So from this we can find the value of N. Next problem. The coefficient of x power 11 in the expansion of 1 minus 2x plus 3x square into 1 plus x whole power 11. So formula for expansion of 1 plus x whole power n from the formula of expansion of x plus a whole power n, nc naught plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus and so on. By heart this one. So from this formula, expansion of this one, 11c0 plus 11c1 into x plus 11c2 into x square and so on. See the values. Suffix value 1, power of x is 1. Suffix value 2, power of x is 2. So required is coefficient of x power 11, 1 combination x power 11, x combination x power 10, because x power 1 into x power 10, x power 11, x square combination x power 9. Therefore, we need 11c9 x power 9 plus 11c10 x power 10 plus 11c11 x power 11. Now required. So required is coefficient of x power 11 in this product. X power 11 coefficient obtained by multiplying constant term and x power 11 and x term x power 10 and x square x power 9. Therefore, required coefficient of x power 11 in this product 1 into coefficient of x power 11, 11c11. Next, x term into x power 10 term. We need only coefficient, so minus 2 into and that one coefficient 11c10. X square coefficient 3, coefficient of x power 9, 11c9. So 11c11 1. 11c10 is nothing but 11c1 is nothing but 11. 11c9 is equal to 11c2 is equal to 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 factorial. So by simplifying, we get required. Next similar problem. The coefficient of x power 5 in this expansion 1 plus x whole power 21 plus 1 plus x whole power 22 plus 1 plus x whole power 23 plus and so on. 1 plus x whole power 30. So we can find required in two methods. Method 1. Clearly they are in GT. They are in GT. And number of terms. Powers 21 to 30 means number of terms counting working group. 30 minus 21 plus 1. 30 minus 21, 9 plus 1, 10. So there are 10 terms which are in GT. Sum of n terms of GT formula A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So coefficient of x power 5 in this expansion. 1 cancel. Now by cross multiplication x into x power 5. So coefficient of x power 5 in this expansion is the same as coefficient of x power 6 in this expansion. By multiplying 1 plus x whole power 31 minus 1 plus x whole power 20. So all of you know. So time choose already. So x power 6 coefficient. X power 6 coefficient 31c6 by the formula choosing. Suffix value 6 power 6 minus same. Coefficient of x power 6 21c6. So required is only coefficient. Therefore 31c6 minus 21c6. Another way in this one coefficient of x power 5 is 21c5. In this one coefficient of x power 5 is 22c5. In this one coefficient of x power 5 is 23c5. And so on. In this one coefficient of x power 5 is 30c5. Okay. So it will finish add and subtract 21c6. The required 21c6 ni add chesanu, last lo subtract chesanu. Why I am adding this term and subtract that term? Now we can apply the formula NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR. N same, suffix value is constant to that formula, add 1 to n and of these two equal this one. So 21 same and 6 5 constant to. So sum of these two is 22c6. 22c6. Again that one and this one is 23c6. Next to 24c6 and so on 31c6. అలా ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇంతవరకు ఏమవుతుందంటే 31c6 minus that subtract 21c6. That's both are same. Okay, thus we can find required in two methods. Next concept, numerically greatest term. Numerically greatest term. దీన్ని NGT లా కూడా రాస్తారు. So numerically greatest term in this expansion. First one is go with some problems easier, but ఇందులో యూజ్ చేసే ఫార్ములా డెరివేషన్ కొంచెం కష్టము. ఫార్ములా డెరైవ్ చేస్తాను అందరికి అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు. ఫార్ములా డెరివేషన్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా ఫైనల్గా కన్క్లూజన్ బైహార్ట్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి చాలు. ఇది ఓన్లీ మెయిన్స్ వరకు. అడ్వాన్స్కి అయితే అడ్వాన్స్ వచ్చే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫార్ములా ఎలా డెరైవ్ చేస్తామో ఆ ప్రొసీజర్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది అడ్వాన్స్ వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. First, what is the meaning of numerically greatest term? X plus j whole power in expansion. Number of terms n plus 1. nc0 x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus and so on. Number of terms n plus 1. Of those n plus 1 terms, which one is numerically greatest? Big term in the control. That one depends on the values of n, x, a. If the nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3 values depends on the value of n. Okay, x. So these n plus 1 terms contain n, x, and a. So greatest term of these n plus 1 terms clearly depends on the three terms x, a, n. Then the formula conditions etc. Okay. First, we have to convert this one into the form 1 plus x whole power n by taking a or x common. T r plus 1 if r plus 1 term is numerically greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Generally గా మనకి టర్మ్స్ ఏంటంటే వాల్యూస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ డిక్రీజ్ అవడం కానీ లేకపోతే డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవడం కానీ జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇది న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్ అంటే tr plus 1. tr plus 1 is numerically greatest term అవ్వాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా that one is greater than or equal to that's preceding one and that one is greater than or equal to next that succeed one. Okay now, so what is the previous term? Rth term. What is next term? R plus 2. So t r plus 1 term is numerically greatest term when r plus 1th term is greater than or equal to rth term and greater than or equal to next term r plus 2. By using that one, we can find working rule of, we can derive the formula for numerically greatest term in this expansion 1 plus x whole power n. ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరీగా 1 ఉండాలి. బట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో ఎలా ఉంటాయి? దీన్ని ఇలా మార్చుకోవాలంటే x కామన్ తీస్తాం. x కామన్ తీస్తే a by x. Then in the place of x there is a by x. Then we can apply the coming one. Okay. So r plus 1th term is numerically and modulus. So r plus 1th term is numerically greatest term when r plus 1th term is greater than or equal to rth term and r plus 1th term, okay, r plus second term is less than or equal to r plus 1th term. Then next one కంటే big అవ్వాలి, then ముందు దానికంటే big అవ్వాలి. Okay, r plus 1th term in this expansion r plus 1th term formula ncr x power r. In this one r means the nearest approach r minus 1 plus 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు. Therefore ncr minus 1 x power r minus 1. Okay na? In formula ఒకసారి గవర్నమెంట్ బై హార్ట్ చేయాలి. nc1 into x power 1 nc2 into x square and so on. So suffix value power of x is same. Now divide it ncr by ncr minus 1. ncr by ncr minus 1 formula n minus r plus 1 by r. X power r by x power r minus 1 is x is greater than or equal to 1. So then n plus 1 into x, n plus 1 into positive greater than or equal to r minus r into mod x. Send that one to right hand side plus r into mod x. So r common is given to mod x plus 1. So from this plus 1. Leave it. Same. అలాగే చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ ఇక్కడ మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ r ప్లేస్ లో r ప్లస్ 1 ఉంది అంతే కదా సేమ్ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ r ప్లస్ 1 లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ వస్తుంది రివర్స్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ r ప్లస్ 2 ఇక్కడేమో గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఇక్కడేమో లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఇన్ ది ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ r దేర్ ఈస్ r ప్లస్ 1 కాబట్టి సేమ్ రిజల్ట్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే r ప్లస్ 1 greater than or equal to n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1. Similarly, we can do this one from this one. The difference is okay. R plus 1 greater than or less or less than or equal. Now there are two cases. Two cases. ఇలా వచ్చిన n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 ఇంటీజర్ అవ్వచ్చు నాన్ ఇంటీజర్ అవ్వచ్చు సపోజ్ ఇంటీజర్ p then what happened from first one r less than or equal to ఇదేంటి p అనుకున్నాం కదా ఇంటీజర్ p అంటే what are the possible values of p కావచ్చు దాని ముందు నెంబర్ p minus 1 కావచ్చు దాని ముందు నెంబర్ p minus 2 కావచ్చు దాని ముందు నెంబర్ p minus 3 and so on ఓకేనా సరే మళ్ళా ఇది ఉంది అనుకోండి r plus 1 greater than or equal to p that means r greater than or equal to p minus 1 what are the possible values of p minus 1 r greater than p minus 1 అంటే p plus 1 and so on ఈ రెండింటిలో కామన్ ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి ఓన్లీ p and p minus 1 so from these two r equal to p and p minus 1 we have to take only common values because r plus 1 term is numerically greatest term that one is greater than or equal to r term and greater than or equal to r plus second term and and intersection కదా కామన్ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవాలి now అయిపోయింది r ప్లేస్ లో p రాసుకుంటే p minus 1 plus 2 p plus 1 and p are numerically greatest terms ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదా సరే మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు ఆయన కన్క్లూషన్ నేర్చుకోండి తర్వాత చెప్తాను కన్క్లూషన్ సో ఒకే సెకండ్ ఇలా వచ్చిన n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 ఇంటీజర్ ఆర్ ఫ్రాక్షనల్ నెంబర్ రావచ్చు కదా ఇంటీజర్ అయిపోయింది సపోజ్ ఫ్రాక్షనల్ నెంబర్ అంటే దీని వాల్యూ 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 అలా వస్తాయి ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రాక్షనల్ నెంబర్ n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 equal to 2.6 5.7 3.3 అలా రావచ్చు కదా అది చెప్పింది p plus f ఏమో ఫ్రాక్షనల్ 0.1 0.2 0.3 p ఏమో ఇంటీజర్ then what happened mala go for first one r less than or equal to p plus f r always integer kada r always integer r less than or equal to 2.6 అంటే ఇప్పుడు r less than or equal to 10.3 అన్నది ఉంటుంది and the meaning in r values 10 9 8 అలా వస్తాయి so possible values of r p minus 1 p minus 2 next r plus 1 greater than or equal to p plus f r plus 1 greater than or equal to 10.3 అంటే 10.3 తర్వాత వచ్చే ఇంటిజర్ 11 కదా అంటే 11 12 13 and so on అంటే r plus 1 greater than or equal to p plus 1 p plus 2 and so on therefore r greater than or equal to p plus 1 p plus 2 and so on what are they common only one common that is p so n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 is some integer plus fractional number in that case r plus 1 term is only one r plus the p plus 1 p plus 1 term so concept completed Now see the conclusion. అది బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. ఓన్లీ కంక్లూజన్ బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినది మొత్తం మర్చిపోండి. ఓన్లీ అడ్వాన్స్ లో రేర్ గా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో నేను జస్ట్ చూడండి. మీకు ఎక్కడైనా అడ్వాన్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ దట్ సో మనం ఏ కండిషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి? ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్ when that is greater than or equal to the preceding one fourth one and greater than or equal to that succeeding one sixth one. అంటే T4 ఇక్కడ T6. ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. 10th term is numerically greatest term అంటారు. That is possible only when that is greater than or equal to 9th term or greater than or equal to 11th term. ఆ రెండు మిక్స్ చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చేస్తుంది. అది జస్ట్ అంటే ఈ రెండు మిక్స్ చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్ నౌ ప్రాబ్లం మెయిన్స్ లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? ఫైండ్ ది ఒకసారి టూ మెథడ్స్ which terms are numerically greatest terms ఒకటి and second one what are the numerically greatest terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. First what you do, we have to convert this one into the form first 1 plus x whole power n. ఎలాగా మీన్స్ టూ మెథడ్స్ x కామన్ తీసినా ఇలా వస్తుంది, a కామన్ తీసినా ఈ ఫామ్ లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ వర్క్ అది ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ యు డు, నెక్స్ట్ we have to find the value of n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 in this expansion. ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా, n వాల్యూ ఉంటుందా, x వాల్యూ ఉంటుందా? సో we have to find this value n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1. అది ఇంటీజర్ రావచ్చు, ఫ్రాక్షనల్ రావచ్చు. అంటే ఇంటీజర్ 2 3 4 5 6 అలా రావచ్చు, ఫ్రాక్షనల్ నెంబర్ 2.3 5.6 7.8 అలా రావచ్చు. Suppose that value is integer. There are two numerically greatest terms. They are p plus 1 and pth term. రెండు ఉంటాయి. Both same వస్తుంది. కాదు మనం కనుక్కోవాలి కంపల్సరీగా i p దగ్గర. So which terms are numerically greatest terms అంటే p plus 1th term or pth term. What is p? అంటే p వచ్చిన వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా. Next, if n and ఇప్పుడు suppose this value is 10, what are the numerical greatest term? T11, T10 are numerically greatest terms. Suppose this is 8, then T9, T8 are numerically greatest terms. Second case, if n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 equal to some integer plus fractional number, in that one only there is one numerically greatest term, that is 3 plus 1th term. And ఈ వాల్యూ సపోజ్ మనకి 5.2 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, p వాల్యూ ఎంత 5, కాబట్టి 6th టర్మ్ ఈజ్ న్యూమరికల్లీ గ్రేటెస్ట్ టర్మ్. సపోజ్ ఈ వాల్యూ 7.4 వచ్చింది, what is p 7? In that case p plus 1 means p8 is 8th term is numerically greatest term. So by heart this one, if n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 is integer, then tp plus 1 are numerically greatest terms. That is some integer plus fraction. In that case there is one numerically greatest term, that is p plus 1th term. So two problems related to this one. Problem చేస్తే మీకు full clarity వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో మెయిన్స్ లో దీని మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూడండి, తర్వాత అడ్వాన్స్ లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Problem. Find numerically greatest term in the expansion of 2 plus 3x whole power 10 when x equal to 11 by 8. Please బయాలజీ మొత్తం అర్థం కాకపోయినా ప్రాబ్లం జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలో అయినా మెయిన్స్ వరకు అయితే కంఫర్ట్, మెయిన్స్ వరకు అయితే సఫిషియెంట్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ యు డు, first we have to convert this one into the form of 1 plus x whole power n. For that we have to take 2 common from this bracket. By it was the 2 power 10. 1 plus 3x by 2 whole power 10. Take only this one. Now find n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1. N value 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Mod x, in the place of x there is 3x by 2. By mod x plus 1. X plus 3x by 2 plus 1. On x plus 11 by 8. So, into 11 by 8. Into 11 by 8. So, value control. So, by 2. By 16 cancel. So, okay, 11 into 3 into 11 by 3 11s 33 plus 60 equal to 11 into 3 into 11 by 14. ఈ వాల్యూ అప్రాక్సిమేట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వాల్యూ కనుక్కుంటే సరిపోతుంది. పాయింట్ లో వస్తుంది. సో క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే 7 పాయింట్ సమ్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఇంటీజర్ ప్లస్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. So n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 equal to some integer plus some fractional number. In that case, there is only one numerically greatest term, that is p plus 1. So p value is 7. Therefore, numerically greatest term is 7 plus 1, 8. So 7 plus 1. ఇప్పుడు దేని కనుక్కోవాలి? దీని కాదు, దీని కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇది మన ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయడం కోసం 2 4 10 కామన్ చేస్తాం. Now apply this formula to that one. So, general term formula NCR x power n minus r a power r. Therefore, NC7 2 power n minus 7 3x whole power 7. Put x equal to 11 by 8 and simplify. That is numerically greatest term. Okay. Formula PR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r in the expansion x plus a whole power n. Don't by heart this one. Japan 50% terms lo use chestam a formula beginning lo. Next is similar problem. Say, find numerically greatest term in the expansion of 3x minus 4y whole power 14 when x equal to 8 and y equal to 3. There are two variables x and y. First, we have to convert this one into the form 1 minus x whole power n by taking 3x common. 3x whole power 14 into 1 minus 4y by 3x whole power 14. So by compare this one with 1 plus x whole power 14. X plus 4y by 3x. I am finding mod x value. Okay. 4 by 3 into y value 3, x value 8, 3 cancel, 1 by 2. So now we have to find the value of n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1. N plus 1 is 50, mod x value 1 by 2, mod x plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, by 2 cancel, 15 by 5, 3, 5, integer. When integer there are two numerically greatest terms, there are pth term and p plus 1th term. Therefore, T5 and T5 plus 1. So, T5 is nothing but T4 plus 1. You for that this one formula NCR 3x whole power 14 minus 4 10 minus 4y whole power 4. Now put x equal to 8 and y equal to 3, then simplify, get numerically greatest term. One more numerically greatest term. 14c5 3x whole power 14 minus 5 9 minus 4y whole power 5. So put x equal to 8 and y equal to 3, simplify, get it. There are two numerically greatest terms when n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1 is purely Tz. So these are problems related to numerically greatest terms